Sports and Life. In this particular video, we are going to see who is better player, whether it's Shah Rukh Khan or Abhinav Manohar. Both have made their names in this particular Syed Mustaq Ali tournament. So both are hard-hitting batsmen, and who is best for which team and who suits which particular situation, this is what we are going to try to see. So as we know, first of all I want to go for stats of Shah Rukh Khan. So Shah Rukh Khan has played really well in Syed Mustaq Ali last ball 6 which he had hit reminds me of Javed Miandad hitting 6 against India. So that was such a crucial match. So definitely if you see his average is pretty low, that is 21. I don't feel that is a very good average having 50 matches and having 13 not outs. Definitely that shows that he hits fast, but definitely he gets out very frequently. That's what we can see. But the strike rate what we see over here is 136.4, which could be very good for a Indian batsman. Usually Indian batsmen don't hit in that particular strike rate when in these log overs. That's the problem of Indian batsmen. So IPL team prefer to take any of the foreigners in that particular slot. So that's what we can see. But again, what we can see is like his average in List A cricket as well as first class cricket is pretty decent. So in first class, if he averages 33, in his List A match, that is 50 over match, he averaged 44, which is really good. So along with that, what I am trying to see is what is the strike rates over there. So strike rates over there is 51 and 110, and also he has bowled very less. He bowls off spinners, but I have seen him bowl in 2019 Syed Mustaq Ali tournament. But in this particular Syed Mustaq Ali tournament in 2020, he has not bowled much because most of the Tamil Nadu bowlers were really good. They had a very good spin bowling attack. So I think that is one of the reason why Shah Rukh Khan wasn't bowled by his captain. So coming to which teams need him, a team which needs a finisher kind of role by an Indian. So there those kind of teams will go for Shah Rukh Khan, and mostly what I feel is like um, Kings 11 Punjab have a very good chance of retaining Shah Rukh Khan. Last time around they paid him around 5.25 crores. So this time around, if he is given only 4 crores, he can be retained because he is a domestic player and he hasn't played for India. So coming to Abhinav Manohar, definitely I will go and dig into his stats a lot. So Abhinav Manohar has played only after his main players have got injured, but he has scored more runs than Shah Rukh Khan. He has scored 162 runs in just 40 matches with 70 run not out in his debut match. His average is 54 and his strike rate is 150. You can see that he has scored 11 fours and 11 6. That shows that he scores in a pretty good rate as well as he scores in boundaries, because in 4 match if you are hitting 22 boundaries, that means if even if I divided 5.5 boundaries per innings, so which is very good for any particular batsman. So this guy also bowls leg break in domestic cricket, but in Syed Mustaq Ali, anyway, he didn't bowl. So, since we have very small stats, I tried to dig in more into his Karnataka stat. In Sir Mirza Ismail tournament, which he played 9 innings, there also he has a very healthy strike rate of 90. This is a one day matches, so average of 57. So, over here also he has played really well. Look at that number of sixes, 29 sixes and 23 boundaries. So definitely this defies something that this player hits a lot of sixes. And also you can see the bowling wise, I had told you that he bowls leg spin, so he had bowled in few of his domestic matches. Definitely this will be something important. And in also Sir Mirza Ismail tournament, he is like the fifth highest run getter, being coming so lower down the order. He comes at 2 down or 3 down. So definitely that's one of the most interesting facts that you need to see. And also if you see his T20 Karnataka League stats, he is in number 3. And look at the strike rate at the top, most right, second column. So over there 190 strike rate. So he has definitely hit in a very, so this shows that he hits in a very less number of balls. So one thing the teams need to look before going for Abhinav Manohar is that he's a complete batsman option and he's a hard hitting batsman. So definitely he's one of the good option for most number of teams. Since there are 10 teams which are there, they need at least 5 Indian batsmen need to be there. So I think Abhinav Manohar will get sold in this particular auction, as well as he'll be one of the costliest players as well, because most number of teams might be going for him, because none of the Indian batsmen have such a healthy strike rate and six hitting ability.